So guys, we have two Beyblades. We have Revive Phoenix versus Mobile. So let's start. So guys, start with Mobile. Difference, and this is stamina. So it's going slow. Oh, let's try and show you guys. So yeah. Oh yeah, the win is Revive Phoenix. So the winner is Revive Phoenix. So leave a comment below what we do next. Revive Phoenix. Revive Phoenix versus what? 90 Beyblades. But Revive Phoenix is good. This is not loser. This is the winner. Look at the dragon, bro. And there are no stickers. So yeah, subscribe guys and like. So look at this. This is dragon. So it's armor. So subscribe guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go.